4 bags each. Like 2 bags each.
Alright. Well, here, we're back, and, yeah. So, okay. This is how we get the stuff. It's pure luck, I feel like. Okay. Well, just throw the bag if you want. Oh! There's one! Well, this is the chances, actually. Out of 46, we only get 1 tier 3. So, that's crazy. Oh, here. Do you want to drop that out? Oh, there's another one. Oh, not the bag. I don't want it. Oh, we got a lot more this time. So, out of the last 46, we got 1. Then out of like 20, wait, what was that one?
It's a shield.
Oh, alright. Well, we got, like, yeah. My game is starting to lag a little bit. Crazy. Okay, yep. Good job. There, now my FPS is actually stable enough.
Do you want to keep hitting with these?
Not really. I already got them all. You missed. Good job. Here, let me just show the people what I have in my stash. So we have the lance, the boost, gun, hole, which is shield, laser, blast, gravity, minigun, and tractor beam. Well, here, bye.